Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CallRail to track acquisition call sources step by step clearly. To connect with CallRail and track acquisition call sources, start by logging into your CallRail. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section from the left-hand menu. In the settings menu, find and click on integrations. Locate that acquisition call sources option in the integrations list. Click on it to access the configuration settings. You will see various options for connecting different sources. Choose the source you want to connect, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Follow the specific prompts to enter the necessary information for your selected source. After entering the required details, save your settings. Next, go to your call tracking numbers in the Numbers section. Select the number you want to track for the connected source. In the Number settings, look for the Tracking tab. Ensure the call source tracking option is enabled for this number. If needed, configure the call routing options to segment your calls effectively. Once everything is set, click on Save to update the number settings. Now, head back to the Reports section in your menu. Here, you can review the detailed reports that show the data from your connected acquisition sources. Monitor the performance of your call sources and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep an eye on any trends that emerge from this data for optimized decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.